that Dasakupa samovapi dasavapi samohradaha dasaharadra samaputro dasaputro samodrumaha. A steep well equals to 10 wells, a lake equals to 10 steep wells, a sun like 10 lakes, and a tree like 10 suns. Being here with such honorable people is a great moment in my life. I would like to begin with my heartily thankfulness to the organizer of today's fabulous program, Navamithila Foundation, and my second teacher for providing me with this beautiful opportunity to express myself on the fabulous title of environment. My cordial gratitude to all the revered judges and respectable personalities in the audience. Myself, Rishika Yadav, a student of grade 8 here on this dais before you all. Raise our voice, not the pollution. No pollution is only the solution. The environment is the fountain of our life. It includes all the backdrops of our living space, compromising the air, water, soil, plants, animals, human beings, water bodies, microorganisms, etc. It determines the growth of our life. The good and bad qualities of our life is depending upon the nature around us. A naturally balanced ecosystem exists between the nature and the creatures of this world. It includes atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. These all four components work together to form a perfect habitat for the diverse range of organisms. Swami Vivekananda says, every moment the water is changing, the shore is changing, and the environment is changing. So, what is the river then? It is the name of the series of changes, so with the mind. He says that the soul is superior to all the environment. The universe is my Father's kingdom and I am the heir apparent. And that is the attitude of a man that can take my own soul subdued to all. Yogeshwar Krishna says all the visible universe comes from my invisible being. All the beings have rest in me, but I have not rest in them. Environment has great importance in our life. It fulfills each and every human needs. So, it is the beauty of the beautiful and the intelligence of the intelligent. Honorable judges, today we are in the courtyard of Ram's temple, so the Ramayana should not be avoided in the context of environment. Lord Ram is described as the protector of the environment and all the beings. During his region, agriculture flourished due to a conducive atmosphere and rainfall, leading towards the prosperity in different walks of life. It is mentioned that when Lord Ram got a chance to choose a boon, he opted the well-being of all living creatures, free-flowing rivers and flourishing nature all around. The royal flag of Ayodhya had a picture of tree in it. What does it mean? In Ramcharitramanas from Kiskindha Kand, the great poet Goswami Tulsi Das has said, Tara vikal dekhi raghuraya dinaha jnana hari linhimaya chiti jal pavak gagan samira panch rachit ati adham sharira. Seeing Tara distressed, Sri Raghunathji gave her knowledge that this extremely inferior body has been created from earth, air, water, fire, and sky. We have countless benefits of the environment. The forest and the trees purify them, absorbing harmful gases from it. It maintains the culture of flourish and growth. Forests are the lungs of our land. So, gachi avriksh nai karu nasht, saas leba mein hoit bahut kasht. Human activities such as rapid industrialization and burning of fossil fuels have led to the unexpected degradation of our environment. To save our environment, we all must be very careful and very conscious about the bad effects of environmental pollution. The Bollywood movie 2.0 gives us a lesson about the impact of mobile phone radiation on the birds and the environment. This film conveys that nobody should mess with the nature and all the creatures have equal right to live here. Honorable judges, it is a great problem in our Janakpur dham because the rivers and the ponds are going to be dried here. So it is a saying that कभी दूध सी बहती नदी की धार पुकार रही है बार बार दूषित करके हमें हे मनुष्य तुमने कर दिया अब लाचार. The Gita Bhagavad also says on nature, all the religion teach us respect for the nature. The highest purpose of our life is detachment from the world of nature. So, nature is truth, nature is everything, nature is a teacher, nature is a preacher, nature is truth, nature is beauty. So it means Satyam Shivam Sundaram Syavari Ramachandra Ji ki Jai. Thank you very much.